indigenship, Lagos State. Bring it and let me see your indigenship certificate. That paper that they gave you from the local government. Huh? Where is your... Let me see.
Yes.
Show me this. Go show the local government. One by one. Go show the local government. Most of them cannot speak Yoruba at all. I don't know how. Where's the second one?
Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, share with your friends to have access to this kind of content that you have here. Don't forget to subscribe. I love and respect you. I'll be right back.
What's your name?
I'm Kabiru Mustafa by name.
Huh?
Kabiru Mustafa.
What local government?
Local government.
Where are you from?
I'm from Maitwe.
Where in Maitwe? Where are you from originally?
Kaduna State.
From where?
Kaduna State.
Kaduna State.
I'm Alkali Monde by name.
Okay.
Yes, I'm from Kaduna State.
Okay.
I'm living in Kampala with my brother.
With your brother?
Yes.
And you are coming out under what local government?
Lagos Island.
Local government. Yes. Do you have a family house in Lagos Island?
No.
Okay. What's your name?
Luka David.
What?
Luka David.
Luka?
David.
Where are you from?
From Kaduna State.
Kaduna State. What local government are you coming out from?
Oshodi.
Who gave you the indigenship certificate?
National.
What's your name?
Zakaria Arab.
Where are you from? Kaduna State. Lagos. Where did you get the indigenship certificate from?
I'm staying with my uncle, so I went.
Your uncle, speak up, please.
I'm staying with my uncle, Lieutenant Colonel Gambo.
Shogba Yoruba. Shogba Yoruba.
I can hear, but I can't.
Shogba Yoruba. Shogba Yoruba.
No, ma.
Shogba Yoruba.
Yes, I can hear you.
Gbami lóhùn padà ní Yorùbá. Níbo ló ń gbé?
Kí lorúkọ ẹ?
Shogba Yoruba. Níbo ló ń gbé? Níbo ló ń gbé? Ta ló fún ẹ ní certificate? Ta ló fún ẹ? Ta ló fún ẹ? Ta ló fún ẹ? Local government wo ló ti wá? Kò ṣọ̀fẹ́. Ẹ snap ẹ, kí lorúkọ ẹ? Kí lorúkọ ẹ? What's your name? What? Speak up, please. Where are you from? What? Kaduna. But you are coming out from what local government? Oh? Ta ló fún ẹ ní certificate? Kí lorúkọ ẹ? Níbo ló ń gbé? You don't hear Yoruba? What state are you from?
I'm from Kaduna State.
Kaduna State. Ta ló fún ẹ certificate of indigenship, Lagos State. Bring it and let me see your indigenship certificate. That paper that they gave you from the local government. Huh? Where is your... Let me see.
Yes.
Show me this. Go show the local government. One by one. Go show the local government. Most of them cannot speak Yoruba at all. I don't know how. Where's the second one? Also from Oshodi local government. We want to know how it has been done. Thank you.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.